you're interested in sharks, they have a shark reef there where you could actually walk through the aquarium and have sharks swimming up above your head. If you're interested in that, come on down here to the Mandalay Bay, check that out. This town has what you call a limited growth ordinance. They're only allowed to build very few structures a year here. So they love their town small and quiet. Train that took all the workers down to the Hoover Dam site. The Colorado River continues through the Grand Canyon, which is directly in front of us. Over the mountains in front of us is where the Grand Canyon ends. So that Colorado River comes through the Grand Canyon and filters out here into Lake Mead. So this is fresh water. Those islands that you see were totally submerged underwater. You couldn't even see those islands at all. The only parts that were sticking up are the little dark tips that you see there. The boating marina you see out there, they keep moving it further and further into the lake as the water level goes down. All right, this bridge is 890 feet up off the Colorado River. It's 1,600 feet across. So remember, that comes down the Rocky Mountains, through the Grand Canyon, into Lake Mead, and eventually out to 4 intake towers. There's 2 right here on the Nevada side, and there's 2 just up ahead on the Arizona side. So how it works, everybody, the water gets sucked into the intake towers, into the dam, which turns the turbines and creates hydroelectricity. Alright, these mountains directly in front of the bus, these are called the Grand Wash Cliffs. Okay, those lines you see up there, those are water lines, those are shorelines. So this area of Arizona, everywhere around you, this was underwater 8 times right now, directly in front of us. Obviously, the other side is higher than the side we're on. Here at the west rim, it is a mile deep.